Let's read a story to Millie. Are you sitting comfortably? You may have the book at home. If you do, you can read along. It's called Fancy That, and it's by Pamela Allen. And we have Millie, and we're going to read the story to Millie. I will show you the book every now and then. At the bottom of our garden is a red tin shed. Inside the small tin shed is a small square box. Here we go. Inside the small square box is some fresh, clean straw. Laying in the fresh, clean straw are 6 brown eggs. Sitting on the 6 brown eggs is a little red hen. "Took," said the little red hen. "Really?" said the first white leghorn. There's the little red hen. "Took." There's the leghorn. "Took, took," said the little red hen. "Fancy that," said the second white leghorn. "Took, took, took." "Took, took, 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 took," said the little red hen. "Surely not," said the third white leghorn. "Took, took, 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 took," said the little red hen. "That's not true," said the first white leghorn. "Are you sure?" said the second white leghorn. "Show me," said the third white leghorn. So the little red hen carefully scratched and preened over one wing, then carefully stretched and preened the other wing, and when she was quite sure she was neat and tidy, she stood up. There she is, very pretty hen. Chirp, 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 chirp. And there were 6 fluffy yellow chicks. Can you see them? 6 fluffy yellow chicks. Maybe we make that a little bit closer for you. There we go. Chirping little chicks. Chirp, 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 chirp. Then all together the little red hen and the 3 white leghorns said, "Tuk, tuk, 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 tuk." And the rooster crowed, "Cock-a-doodle-doo, cock-a-doodle-doo." You're not a rooster. "Fancy that," said the little red hen. And there you go. Did you enjoy that, Millie? I hope you enjoyed that at home. Bye bye for now.